Welcome back to the leisure pool at the Breckenridge Recreation Center. Before your visit, let's walk through our new procedures to keep everyone safe. Before you arrive, make your reservation on BreckenridgeRecreation.com. Everyone coming to the pool must have their own pass or membership, including kids age 3 and up. Kiddos under 3 will need their own free swimming pass to make a reservation. You'll also need to complete a symptom check for everyone in your group within an hour of your reservation. Please have swimwear on under clothing when you arrive. All swimmers are required to wear a mask when not in the pool. And don't forget your towels. We do not have towel rental. When you enter the rec center, sanitizing supplies are available if desired. Note the arrows on the floor indicating one-way entrance and exit paths, helping keep everyone physically distanced. Follow the arrows upstairs, through the stretching area, down the stairs, and down the hallway to the pool entrance. Please select a physically distanced bench where you can change and leave your clothes. Swimmers needing family locker rooms will find them through the pool deck entrance. From the family locker rooms, please re-enter the pool again from the hallway. All swimmers must rinse off before entering the pool. In the water, masks may be removed. Please stay 3 Bosley Beavers, or 6 feet, away from swimmers not in your household. Help yourself to sanitized toys. The slide and other features are not available, but the water is nice and warm and perfect for splashing. We will announce when the session is close to ending to allow time to change and to exit the building. Please change at your bench or in the family locker room with masks on. Return used toys and sanitizing supplies where directed. Exit the pool again through the hallway. Turn left at the end to leave the building through the weight room. Thank you for helping us keep you, our staff, and other guests safe. We're as excited as you are to be back in the pool.